Firstly, fungus gnats, what are they? They are these really tiny bugs. They kind of look like fruit flies. They're really annoying. They prefer to live in damp soil, so this is kind of a sign that you're overwatering your plants. They munch on tender rotting roots, and they basically emerge from potted plants, especially when watering. These bugs can live up to a week. Now, what is the solution for it? Having these bugs around your plants basically mean that you're kind of overwatering them, so you need to let them dry out between watering. And by dry out, I mean your soil kind of needs to feel like Sahara Desert, so do not touch your plant or water them for another 3 weeks. Now, even after a couple of weeks of drying your soil out, if the bugs are still annoying you, then here's a backup plan. So, take a couple of neem leaves and boil them. Pour that water into a watering can or in a water bottle. Add a couple of neem oil drops and 1 pump of soap in order to mix the oil and the water. Shake it up really well and your mixture is ready. Pour it generously in the soil as well as the leaves. Trust me, it works like magic and all the fungus gnats disappears in no time. Please make sure that you're doing this whole process late in the evening so that you're not disturbing the plant's natural process in the daytime.